Today we're going to talk about tools. Having a random orbital polisher is a great tool. We have the smaller 17mm random orbital polisher, the larger 21mm random orbital polisher. This is going to be more for your paint correction and detailing. This is going to be more for your metal polishing. Having a drill can be an important tool. It's going to allow you to get into areas that these machines or the actual polishing machines can't get into. Here we have a small rotary tool. This is a Dremel. This is what we use for the foam bob to get into the tight spaces on the forged wheels. Then we also have an electric die grinder. When we're using the felt bobs, you can even use your mushroom buffs and your scuff buffs on this electric die grinder. Having a small drill-like polishing machine, these things come in really handy for polishing headlights. An electric sander is key for doing prep work. You've got to have a 5-inch backing plate, typically Velcro. Some guys use PSA. When choosing a buffer, you want to make sure that you get a quality tool. For the money, you can pick up these Bauer polishers. They're 3,500 RPM. You actually see a lot of us professionals using the Bauer machine. We use them for metal polishing, and we also use them for our rotary or speed sanding. You can also go with a Makita or DeWalt options for your polishing machine. The Makitas are at 3,200 RPM. The DeWalts are 3,500 RPM. They're more expensive. These things are about $250 to $300 a piece. They're gonna last longer, yes, but if you're in a heavy abusive environment using this machine day in, day out, and you know you're just gonna throw it away after 6 months, your more cost-effective option is probably gonna be to stick with the Bauer. Now, the more advanced polishers, you'll see using the 6,000 RPM, either Makita or Hercules grinders. If you're starting out, don't invest in a 6,000 RPM grinder. The buffs for all of these are only rated at 3,200 RPM. So you're taking a chance if you plate up a buff on a 6,000 RPM. The DeWalt Inox is a fantastic machine to have. These two are perfect to have in your arsenal for getting into really tight spaces, especially on big rigs underneath the sleeper cabs of the trucks. Now the machine is a little pricey, but it ranges from 1,800 all the way up to 8,000 RPM. So it is variable speed. The Jawhorse is a fantastic piece of equipment. It's adjustable. You can also slide this out, turn it around, flip your switch, you got a foot pedal, lock your part down, and now you can start polishing. So this is the lineup of some of the basic tools and equipment and the products that you're gonna need to get started on your metal polishing journey.